Are you tired of planting seeds and waiting forever to harvest? What if you could go from seed to supper in just about 30 days? It's absolutely possible, no magic tricks, just the right vegetables. In this video, I'll show you 9 fast-growing, delicious veggies you can plant now and start picking in as little as a month. Ready to stop waiting and start harvesting? Let's dig in. Vegetable number 1. Radishes, the ultimate quick growers. In just 3 to 4 weeks, varieties like Cherry Belle and French Breakfast are ready to pull. Sow them ½ an inch deep. Give each seed space and keep the soil evenly moist. Harvest when their little shoulders pop above the soil. Crisp, peppery, and perfect for salads or even on buttered bread with a pinch of salt. Vegetable number 2. Baby leaf lettuce, ready in just 20 to 30 days. Grow loose leaf types like buttercrunch or mesclun, sow the seeds shallowly, and keep the soil moist with a bit of shade in hot weather. Use the cut and come again method. Once leaves are 3 to 4 inches, snip the outer ones and let the center regrow for repeated harvests. Vegetable number 3. Baby leaf spinach, ready in 25 to 30 days. Grow cool weather varieties like Bloomsdale or Space. Keep the soil moist and harvest by snipping the outer leaves so the center keeps growing. Sweet, tender, and packed with nutrients. Vegetable number 4. Arugula, fast, zesty, and ready in about 20 days. Grow varieties like Astro or Salad Rocket. Keep the soil moist and harvest the outer leaves when they're 2 to 3 inches long. It's a cool season crop, perfect for spring and fall, and adds a bold, peppery kick to salads, pizzas, and sandwiches. Vegetable number 5. Mizuna, a mild, tangy Asian green, ready in just 25 to 30 days. It's perfect for cut and come again harvesting, producing fresh leaves non-stop. Sow shallowly in cool weather, keep the soil moist, and start snipping when the leaves are 3 to 4 inches long. Great for salads, stir-fries, and soups. Vegetable number 6. Mustard greens, bold, peppery, and ready in 25 to 30 days. Pick them young for a milder flavor, and grow varieties like Green Wave or Osaka Purple. Sow shallowly, keep the soil moist, and harvest often using the cut and come again method. Great fresh in salads or cooked for a rich, savory kick. Vegetable number 7. Tatsoya, tender, mild Asian green. You can start harvesting in about 30 days. Sow seeds shallowly in cool weather. Keep the soil moist, and pick the outer leaves as they grow. Vegetable number 8. Baby bok choy, sweet, tender, and ready in as little as 21 to 30 days. Sow seeds shallowly in cool weather. Keep the soil moist, and harvest the whole mini head when it's 6 to 8 inches tall. Perfect for quick stir-fries, grilling, or steaming with a splash of soy and sesame oil. Vegetable number 9. Baby turnips, tender, sweet, and ready in about 35 days. Harvest them small, just 1 to 2 inches wide, for the best flavor. Sow in cool weather, thin the seedlings, and enjoy both the tasty roots and the spicy greens. Great roasted or sliced raw for a crisp, mild crunch. So there you have it, 9 fast, delicious veggies that can take you from bare soil to a fresh harvest in about a month. With the right plants, you can enjoy homegrown food in no time. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Tell us in the comments which one you'll plant first. Happy growing!
Thanks for watching. Happy nice day.